Okay, so we have March 11th. We have the snowstorm. You're looking at the sugar shack right there. That's been my maple syrup processing little facility here for the past couple of years. But it is absolutely snowing like crazy right now. I mean, it is coming down like crazy. Look at this. March 11th. They were calling for about 2 to 4 inches tonight. We have a solid, you can see there's a solid 3 inches out there right now, and it's not anywhere near stopping. So I'll be up early because we got maple sap to boil in the morning all day tomorrow. So we'll see you then. But wow, I'm up late a little bit right now and just watching the snow. So thought I'd share. So there you go. March snowstorm.